Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to UWE Ultimate Wrestling Entertainment. It is I, your host, and we are here with a massive matchup, y'all. As today's matchup provides not one, not two, not even three, but four UWE superstars all in the ring at the same time. Now, I don't know about y'all, but that is considered a massive matchup in my case. Like, we've never had this before. This is a first ever that we've had four UWE superstars. Usually it'd be like two or three, but four? Jesus Christ, I don't even know what's gonna happen, y'all. I think pure chaos might amount in this. But as you all know, UWE has been providing you guys with entertainment as much as we possibly can. So if you guys would please show us some love by liking this video and subscribing to the channel, that would give us so much love, y'all. We would appreciate that so much. But enough with the dilly-dally, enough with the formalities. Let's get to the show right here, live on UWE. First up, from Atlanta, Georgia, weighing in at 178 pounds, he is the UWE champion, the phenomenal AJ. Now, as you all know, the phenomenal one, who was our newly crowned UWE champion, making his way to the ring. He's been through a lot of trial and adversity, as you all know. What with him being our champion, fighting off different opponents, coming to take his title. But how will he fare in a four-man fight? Like, we don't even know what's going through his head right now. Like, we don't even know what matchup this might be. Like, will it be a tornado tag? Will it be a fatal four-way? Like, only time will tell. But what really goes through my mind is, how is it that the UWE champion was able to succeed over every single competitor that was coming his way? Like, only one can find out.
Well, you all can see I'm in a very good mood. I'm in a very good mood today. Considering that I just came off of one of my best streaks in a while. And me ultimately regaining this. The most prized possession in UWE. Now, last time I was out here, you guys seen it. So I fought Jalen. Before that, I fought Jalen and CJ the Great. Beat them both. Which means I'm at the top of my game. And at the moment, I'm untouchable. You cannot be beaten. You cannot. So,
What's going on here? And now his opponent, from Atlanta, Georgia, weighing in at 154 pounds, he is the UWE United States champion, CJ the Great. And now CJ the Great making his way to the ring, ladies and gentlemen, after losing his UWE championship, but retaining his UWE United States championship. Only one can think or wonder what's going through the head of the United States champion as he makes his way to the ring. But as I told you before, ladies and gentlemen, this is just half of the superstars. We still have two more. This is our first time where all four UWE superstars were getting in the ring to compete. But the question is, what is the match stipulation? Is it a fatal four-way or is it a tornado tag?
you know, I spent you the year. I did.
Keep getting left out, and I feel as if I deserve a reason. So, why don't I just be thrown in the mix?
I'm willing to give it to you because you are a worthy competitor. But the true question of the day is, can you win it all again? That's the question.
And their opponent from Atlanta, Georgia, weighing in at 126 pounds, he is the UWE Intercontinental Champion, Jalen JT the Titan. And now JT making his way to the ring to join in on what seems to be this incredible matchup. And now I'm interested to know JT's thoughts, but not only after taking out his aggression on the Phenomenal One, but he's seeming a bit more cocky and what's happening to be this 4-man UWE title matchup.
I fought in 2 triple threat matches, and I retained my belt, and I beat you, so I should be in this.
You, by far, are a long shot of being in this mix. You're standing in front of 2 greats. You're standing in front of 2 veterans right now. And the same question I asked him, same one I'm gonna pose to you. Do you have what it takes to win it all?
That's why I'm going to take both of those.
You talk a big talk, but you just don't walk the walk. Surely.
Bill.
And their competitor opponent from Atlanta, Georgia, weighing in at 106 pounds, Zakai Z the Dream. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our newest competitor, Z the Dream, making his way to the ring in this 4-man matchup. But the question still remains, ladies and gentlemen, what is the match stipulation? Is it a fatal 4-way? Or is it a tornado tag? Questions need to be answered so we can get this matchup underway, ladies and gentlemen. But beforehand, it seems as if all competitors have had something to say except for Z the Dream.
I should be in this mix because I beat him.
Hold on. Wait a minute. Pause. Yeah. You fought one match. You fought one match here. In the Wellness Championship conversation, he's not even worthy of it. I don't understand why both of you out here. I want to see 2 real men in this ring at the moment. And 2 little kids that ain't even evolved into what
Wait,
it takes to be a champion.
Who you calling a little kid? I beat you twice, kid.
Oh, you don't forget. Did you forget the low blow? Or did you forget the triple threat match?
I beat you and Corey, whatever his name
First of all, yeah,
I beat
back up
y'all
off me,
two
bro.
by
Back
myself.
up off.
And you
Turn
calling
to a
me a
melee.
little
Okay,
kid.
Bill.
Yeah. Bro,
You protected him. You targeted him.
wait. So I gotta be on team.
All right. That's enough. That is enough. As your host of this show, I run and controls what goes on. Now, as for all 4 of you being in this ring, the people have decided, and it is not going to be a fatal 4-way, but a tornado tag match. The Phenomenal One and the Great One. You will be teaming up to go up against Z the Dream and Jalen JT the Titan. Whichever team wins this match, those 2 will have a championship matchup. So if the Phenomenal One and the Great One win, they will have a championship match for either belt to hold double gold. However, if Z the Dream and JT win, then it will be a triple threat match for the UWE Championship.
Wait,
Are those rules understood?
why do I gotta be on teams with him? He attacked me when I was about to beat AJ the Phenomenal One.
Because this is my show and I said so. Now then, let's get this matchup underway, ladies and gentlemen. All championship titles that do not wish to be damaged, hand them over immediately. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this matchup is scheduled for one fall. Whichever team wins, that team will have a championship match against the UWE champion. Now then, with everything going on, waiting for the ref to ring the bell. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh, suplex from the Phenomenal One. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are live at UWE. This is a tornado tag match between all 4 UWE superstars. In one team, it is the Phenomenal AJ and CJ the Great against JT the Titan and Zakai Z the Dream. An explosive start to the match, ladies and gentlemen. And now JT and Z the Dream standing tall over what seems to be, oh, the cover from Z. 1, 2, kick out of 2 from CJ the Great. And now JT slowly picking up the Phenomenal One, going for what seems to be an RKO, but he fails. And now JT with a kick to the spine. And now a running drop kick from JT, followed by a massive body slam from CJ the Great. And now here comes the Phenomenal One. And now, oh no, JT on the receiving end of a double suplex. Oh, double suplex connects. And now Z the Dream slowly starting to get up. And here comes the Great One and the Phenomenal One tagging up against Z the Dream. Double suplex connects again. Both veteran UWE champ. Oh, here comes JT with a flying drop kick, followed by a shoulder ram, knocking both the Great One and the Phenomenal One down as JT standing tall. Oh. Front flip block splash connects. And now Z the Dream going for a cover. The cover. 1, 2, kick out of 2. And now from the Phenomenal One. Oh wait, no, JT getting up. I thought he was going for a cover. And now Z the Dream with a stomp on the Phenomenal AJ. Meanwhile, CJ the Great. Oh, wait, whoa, what was that? Frog splash from Z the Dream, followed by a spear from JT. The cover. 1, 2, kick out of 2 from the Phenomenal One. And now JT the cover. 1, 2, kick out of 2 from the Great One. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a tornado tag matchup between CJ the Great and the Phenomenal AJ against Z the Dream and JT. Whichever team wins this match will go up against the Phenomenal One for his UWE Championship. Oh, spear connects from JT. And now Z the Dream with a low drop kick to the knee of the Great One. Meanwhile, JT, oh wait, no, the cover. 1, oh, reversal, the cover. 1, 2, kick out of 2 from Z the Dream. Running drop kick connects from JT. And now the cover from Z. 1, 2, kick out of 2 from the Phenomenal One. And now JT dragging CJ the Great to the middle of the ring, followed by a ram to the side of the head and a kick to the chest from Z the Dream. Frog splash from JT connects. And a low drop kick from Z the Dream. And now both Z and JT standing tall over the Phenomenal One and the Great One. Running drop kick goes, but he manages to fail. And now, oh, running drop kick from JT connects. Going for a spine buster, but it failed. Oh, sleeper hold on Z the Dream. Sleeper hold on Z the Dream. And now, oh no, going for a Pacinator. And now he's managing to fight out of it. JT trying to, oh, Pacinator connects. JT trying to fight out of it. And Z the Dream fighting out of the sleeper hold that was put in by the Great One. And now it's just Z the Dream standing up tall. And here comes the Phenomenal One with the cover. 1, 2. Kick out of 2 from JT. And now a cover from Z the Dream. 1, 2. Kick out of 2 from CJ the Great. Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen. And now a sleeper hold. A sleeper hold has been put on the Phenomenal One and JT. And no, wait. Z the Dream. Front flip frog splash connects while the Phenomenal One is caught in the sleeper hold by JT. And now both superstars being carried by the Phenomenal One. Oh! And now the Phenomenal... Oh! Pacinator connects from the Phenomenal One. And the Great One flinging Z the Dream on the other side of the ring. The cover. 1, 2. Kick out of 2. From JT. Ladies and gentlemen. This is a tornado tag 4-man... Oh! Inverted suplex. As I was saying, ladies and gentlemen, this is a tornado tag for the cover. 1, 2. Oh my God! Stunner from JT. What is going on? The cover. 1, 2. Kick out of 2 from the Phenomenal One. This tornado tag match, ladies and gentlemen, is a massive one. Oh, front flip frog splash connects. And another front flip frog splash to the Phenomenal One connects. The cover. 1, 2. Kick out of 2 from the Phenomenal AJ. And now JT and Z the Dream looking pretty proud at the damage they've caused. And a running dropkick to the spine. And a spear knocking down AJ. And now the cover. 1, 2. Double kick out from the Phenomenal One and the Great One. Frog splash connects. And now the Great One. Oh, caught with a spear by Z the Dream. And now Z the Dream about to be caught by a Pacinator for what seems. And now JT trying to fight him out of it. Z the Dream escapes, hitting him with a jab to the side of the head. Followed by a running dropkick connects, dropping the Phenomenal One. And now the Phenomenal One has JT in an ankle lock. And now JT fighting out of it. And the cover. 1, 2. Kick out of 2 from the Phenomenal AJ. And here comes the Great One. The Great One looking for an inverted suplex. Oh, double suplex from both competitors connects. And now the Phenomenal One and the Great One standing tall. But here comes Z the Dream fighting back against the Phenomenal AJ. The Phenomenal AJ knocking him back down instantly. Oh, inverted suplex, a massive one. And now going for a running senton, but it was failed by JT. And now the Phenomenal One knocking JT back down. Z the Dream trying to get back up and fight. And now, Phenomenal One. Oh, power bomb! But JT manages to fight out of it, turning into a Hurricane Rana. And now the cover. 1, 2. Kick out of 2 from the Phenomenal AJ, followed by a frog splash from JT. And now the cover. 1, 2. Oh, and the Phenomenal AJ throwing JT off of him. And now CJ the Great. He covered 1, 2, and the Phenomenal AJ saving it. Now going for a phenomenal swing. Oh my God. And now Z Z the Dream being planted. And swung around by the Phenomenal One. And the Phenomenal One being knocked down by a running drop kick. And now Z the Dream instantly knocking CJ the Great in the back of his head, dropping him. Over 20 minutes have gone by since this incredible matchup has started, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, inverted suplex from the Phenomenal. Wait, no, blackout. That was blackout, ladies and gentlemen. The cover. 1, 2. Kick out of 2.5 from the Phenomenal AJ. And now the cover from JT. 1, 2. Kick out of 2 from CJ the Great. Front flip frog splash connects. Front flip frog splash connects, but the Phenomenal One managing to catch him. And here comes Z the Dream trying to save JT, using himself as a battering ram. But it's no good, because here comes the Phenomenal One, going for yet another phenomenal swing. And now JT fighting out of it. Over 21 minutes have gone by since this incredible matchup has started. And now, JT going for the cover. No, wait. Going for a leg lock, but no. The Phenomenal One managing to fight out of it. And CJ the Great having, sleeper hold. Both competitors are in a hold, but Z the Dream managing to fight out of it, using himself as a battering ram. And now going for the cover. 1, 2. Kick out of 2 from CJ the Great. And now both competitors being damaged by CJ the Great as the Phenomenal One stands tall. Oh, a massive suplex! Dear God! And now, CJ the Great going for what appears to be a pedigree, but no, he let him go instantly. Z the Dream looking dazed. Oh, blackout! Blackout connects! Dreammaker, the cover. Dreammaker connects to the Phenomenal AJ, he's out cold. And now, Dreammaker connects from Z the Dream. The cover, 1, 2, 3. It's all over, ladies and gentlemen. Here are your winners. Zakai, Z the Dream, and Jalen, JT the Titan. So as you all know now, Z the Dream and JT will be in a triple threat matchup against the undisputed UWE champion, the Phenomenal AJ. And now, as all four competitors lie down in exhaustion, only one can actually ask themselves what's going to happen next in the matchup. Like, who will win between all three? In this triple threat matchup. And now Z the Dream standing tall over his victorious amount. Jalen, JT the Titan, and Z the Dream have done it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching UWE. We will see you all next time.